What do you think of chili chicken pasta with barbecue sauce? Because that's what comes to my mind when I think of the new Harley-Davidson X500 unveiled in China. After all, it's an all-American motorcycle made in China and built over the Benelli Leoncino 500, an Italian motorcycle. It's no secret that Harley-Davidson has identified the need to make small-capacity motorcycles for its Asian markets to bump up sales and keep the cash register ringing. And the X500 is the second product after the recently launched X350 for its China market. For India, Harley is building an all-new motorcycle with Hero MotoCorp, which was spied on recently. Jian has done a full breakdown of the upcoming HD4XX. I'll leave the link in the description below. Make sure to check it out. The new X500 is a retro-style roadster akin to Harley's Sportster family, especially when viewed from this angle. The small Iron 883 inspired headlight, the peanut tank, and the short overhang of the rear fender gives it that distinct Harley-Davidson look. But unlike the Dark Knight, it is not what it looks like, but who it is underneath that defines the X500. Being an affordable Harley-Davidson, you have your basics covered. You get all LED lighting, dual-channel ABS, and a semi-digital instrument console with basic readouts like trip, speed, and odo. But that's it. No Bluetooth connectivity, no traction control, and no keyless system. The performance package on the X500 is the same as what you would get on a Benelli Leoncino 500. A 500cc parallel twin liquid-cooled motor making 47 PS and 46 Nm. For reference, that's as much power as a Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, but with a little less torque. However, just like the Leoncino and other Harley-Davidsons, bhai apna bhari hai, 208 kilo. In terms of hardware, it's sporting a 50mm upside-down fork and a monoshock at the rear. While both units are rebound adjustable, the rear gets preload adjustability as well. In terms of braking, you get twin discs at the front and a single disc at the rear. And it's possible that it's the same unit as the Leoncino 500. But what's most intriguing is that the X500 is a tall bike. It has a seat height of 820mm despite having an average ground clearance of 153mm. This suggests that it will not be as accessible to shorter riders as some of the other Harley-Davidson Sportsters. And given how the average height of males in China is 5 feet 7 inches tall, this could be a challenge for the brand, especially considering that the X500 is meant to invite new customers to the world of Harley-Davidsons. Should India demand the X500? And the answer is no. The idea of chili chicken pasta with barbecue sauce is just not appetizing. If you want pasta, just go buy the Benelli Leoncino 500. If you want tandoori mayo, then we suggest you wait for the Harley-Davidson HD4XX. But if you want some proper tandoori chicken, why not go for the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650? It packs a punch. Thank you for watching. Until next time, but before you go, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon to stay updated with all the latest automotive content right here on ZigWheels.